Chong from Orange Tea and Thai AEG Division. Today we are at Liden Residences and I'm going to show you more on this project. Liden Residences is a freehold luxury development located in District 10. It is strategically located near to Orchard Road, Holland Village and Botanic Gardens. The nearest MRT would be Farrer Road MRT on the Circle Line. It has a 50-meter lap pool with huge poolside cabanas, luxurious clubhouse with fully equipped gourmet kitchen, gym, jogging trails, gardens and many more amenities. Today we are going to see a 2-bedroom unit. Let's go up via the private lift. Welcome! This beautiful unit is 1044 square feet. As you exit yourself from the private lift, you will be greeted by the living room leading yourself to the balcony. To ensure your privacy, the developer has put in a sliding door to act as your entrance. Living room size is spacious and comfortable for your family. You can put in a good sized sofa and dining table nicely. What I like about this unit is the balcony, whereby the owner has done up a wooden decking. You can extend your living room space by opting to do a zip track to do outdoor dining, or you can just sit out here and chill out. Over here, you have a fully equipped and functional enclosed kitchen with plenty of storage spaces. It comes with an integrated refrigerator, a steamer and an oven. Washer and dryer can be placed here, and there's a good sized utility room for storage. And this is the back door for deliveries. You would love the luxurious space of master bedroom, which you can fit in a king-size bed and 2 side tables if you want to. The roof gives you a pocket view of the Bukit Timah Hill. Owners have also pasted tinted film on all the windows in every room and installed ceiling fans in both rooms. For the toilets, developer has provided marble tiles all the way from floor to ceiling with designer sanitaries for this luxury project. Master room toilet comes with a nice bathtub as well. The owners use the common room as their child's room. It comes with a full-height wardrobe and it can easily fit in a queen-size bed. Similar to the master room's toilet, this common toilet also comes with floor-to-ceiling marble tiles and designer sanitary fittings, which gives you a luxury feel. Excited to view this cozy unit? Call me at 9742-7901 for an exclusive viewing. See you soon!